Hello friends. You are viewing Tech Blog. And today we are going to install Jupyter Notebook in Ubuntu. I will show you how to set up Jupyter Notebook server in an isolated Python virtual environment. Steps to be followed. 1. Set up Python. 2. Create a Python virtual environment for Jupyter. 3. Install Jupyter. 4. Run Jupyter Notebook. Before we proceed to installation, we need to know what is Python virtual environment. A virtual environment is a tool that helps to keep dependencies required by different projects separate by creating isolated Python virtual environments for them. This is one of the most important tools that most of the Python developers use. Why do we need a virtual environment? Imagine a scenario where you are working on two web-based Python projects, and one of them uses a Django 1.9, and the other uses Django 1.10, and so on. In such situations, the virtual environment can be really useful to maintain dependencies of both the projects. Let's see the diagram. Here you can see the virtual environment. Instance 1 runs the Jupyter Notebook with Python 2, and instance 2 runs with Python 3, and so on. Now, let's go to the terminal and install the Python Pip and dev. Type sudo apt install python 3-pip python-dev and hit enter key. Oops, apt is locked due to some other program. If you face this issue, just remove the lock file by using rm/var/leap/dpkg/lock. And try again. Now it's working. Press yes to continue the installation. It will take a while. Here we are about to finish the installation of step 1. Now upgrade pip, and install the package by typing sudo-h pip3 install-upgrade pip. Now install Python virtual environment by typing sudo-h pip3 install virtual env. Now create your project directory. I am creating a directory named Jupyter_notebook_project under home directory, and then move inside to the directory by using cd command. Now create a virtual environment instance inside your project directory. Just type virtual env in the name of your project directory. Before we install Jupyter, we need to activate the virtual environment. You can do that by typing source your project /bin/activate. Your prompt should change to indicate that you are now operating within a Python virtual environment. Now install Jupyter Notebook inside the Python virtual environment by typing pip install Jupyter. It takes a while to complete the installation. If everything is okay, then you can run Jupyter Notebook server by typing Jupyter Notebook command. To access the notebook in browser, click on the link or copy-paste in your web browser. The default port of Jupyter Notebook is 8888. Here you can see the directory tree of your project directory. You can add, delete files and folder inside your project. We will discuss what is Jupyter Notebook, and why we use this. and what are the salient features of the notebook in another video. Probably you could have a question on your mind that, how to access the notebook remotely. Remote access to your notebook makes your research work easier. You can work on your project anywhere, just you need a public IP. In order to do that, I'm gonna open a new terminal, and check what is my IP address, by typing ifconfig. This is my local environment, and my IP address is 123.168.112.137. I am trying to access the notebook from another system, but it's refusing the connection, because by default remote access disabled. This could be fixed by two ways, one from its config file and another, just tell the server to allow any IP by adding --IP 0.0.0.0 and --port 8888. Now try again and reload the page. Yup. It works. You need a token for the first time. Get back to your terminal, and copy the token code in a file. And put the code in your browser. Here I go to my home directory, and create a file named token.txt and paste the code and save the file. In your remote system, open your server via SSH like PuTTY, or Mobile Extreme SSH client. Probably the server doesn't have an installed SSH server. Let's go and install an SSH server on your system. To install SSH Server, just type apt install open SSH-server. Oops, you must use sudo before the command. Provide your sudo password and go ahead. Now try again to log in. Yup, I logged in my server. Find the file and copy the code. Now paste the token code to the browser and log in. Your notebook is ready. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe us. Have a good day. Bye bye.